Thank you for walking through our financial garden and minting process. This demonstration uses the test net on the Polygon chain, but the main net will operate on the Ethereum blockchain. This is the financial garden, where you can manage the financial assets you've created. At the top left, you can see your liquid bean balance and its value in stablecoin and Bitcoin. In the top right, you'll find information about the total supply of bean. The system starts with 1 million coins and an interest rate of 20% in period 0. Each time a new product is created, the total supply of bean increases. A new period begins when the total supply of bean reaches a new milestone. At that point, the interest rate for products is reduced by 0.5%. For example, the interest rate will drop to 19.5% when the supply reaches 2.2 million coins. This process continues as the supply grows, until the hard cap of 21 billion bean coins is reached. Got it. The supply cap is projected to be hit in approximately 250 years. Let's mint a savings account. First, input the principal amount of bean currency and select the number of years to compound it. For example, 1 bean for 1 year at 20% interest yields a return of 1.20 bean. 30 years at 20% interest compounded annually results in 237 bean. If you use a referral code, you'll receive a 5% discount, reducing the investment cost to 0.95 bean. The system also supports the creation of up to 10,000 CFAs simultaneously to accommodate public institutions or corporate entities like banks or insurance companies. Let's mint our first CFA, a savings account. The price is 0.95 bean and you'll receive 1 CFA. As you can see, the BloomBeans financial system offers unparalleled flexibility for building financial assets and complete direct control over them. Once the transaction is confirmed, the product will appear in the financial garden. You can click on any product to view its details, including its ID number, creation and maturity dates, progress, and future earnings. Next, let's use this financial asset as collateral for a loan. In this panel, you'll see loan information and the collateral used to back it. Loans provide 25% of the principal plus accrued interest of the asset used as collateral. While the loan is active, the collateral CFA is frozen, meaning it stops earning interest. The loan will appear in the loan section as an independent CFA, which can also be transferred or traded on the market. Now, let's repay the loan. You'll be asked to repay 0.25 bean. You can repay loans at any time with no time limit, and best of all, there are no charges or additional interest. Let's go ahead and repay. BloomBeans no-interest loans are a financial revolution made possible by its autonomous system, which eliminates intermediaries and their associated costs. After repayment, the collateral CFA is reactivated, the savings account is restored, and its interest generation resumes with a new maturity date. Now, let's create a locked savings account. Unlike regular savings accounts, locked accounts cannot be traded or used as collateral for loans. However, they offer higher returns. For instance, a potential 200x growth over 300 months, 25 years. In comparison, a regular savings account would take 29 years for similar growth. BloomBeans locked products are designed for long-term, high-yield investments. More importantly, they help prevent premature selling of CFAs, safeguarding your financial strategy. Consider this. If early Bitcoin investors had held their assets for 10 years instead of just 1 or 2, their returns could have been exponentially greater. In BloomBeans' locked savings account, you can harness the power of patience and commitment to maximize your financial gains. As you can see, your new locked savings account appears in a financial garden. However, it cannot be transferred, traded, or used for loans. The BloomBeans financial system is designed to reduce global financial operating costs to near zero, transferring that wealth directly to you. Thank you for your time, which in BloomBeans is extremely valuable.